guys, Veloster Starring 360, and then buksan natin guys yung salamin nyo kung paano buksan ito guys. Pagbukas ng salamin dito siya ay mayroon siyang demonstration ko lang nito guys. Mayroon siyang clip nito guys, clip lang to guys, apat na clip. Yan. Mayroon siya guys na apat na clip. Ito 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 pala guys yung clip nito, 8. Itong clip nya, isa, dalawa, tatlo, 5, 6, 7, ito 8 clip yan guys. Dito yan nagki-clip sa may katawan. Kailangan siya guys sikwatin ng panikwat dito, tatamaan yan dito. Dain eh.
Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Tolong subscribe.
Tolong subscribe.
Hey Facebook, masuk Gcash ah.
Oh weh, Gcash to.
Masuk Gcash oh. Si Kuya Archie oh, maju oh sana.
Subscribe.
Ada nampak.
Dia punya video. Subscribe.
Ang unit naman nito ngayong araw guys ay Hyundai Veloster.
Shout out taga Gimaras dyan.
Ang aming mekaniko ngayon ay si
Mechanic.
ang pangalan mo ay Erben Cordero.
Sinong pangalan mo?
Shout out dyan sa taga Gimaras. Sa sunod na henerasyon ay magpapatayo dyan si Erben ng isang car accessories sa Gimaras doon sa may San Miguel, Hordan, Gimaras. Follow nyo guys yung page natin guys, Ten Bro, at saka yung sa YouTube channel natin guys, Arch Sassy. Yan, 360 camera. Saka yung likod niya. Yan guys sa Singhuat Kiarong. Ang mastermind.
Okay guys, ito yung sulit ko.
Hindi malaglag.
Parang nalalaglag to guys.
Ang nalimtan. Yun. Para sit up.
Programs in Kampong Champaka in Kuantan. Well, coming up, Saudi Arabia warns against transporting people without Hajj permits to holy sites.
Saraduan mo, no? Tingnan natin 60 ito. Okay, tingnan natin 60.
One Republic. What's good? It's Lady Gaga. Hey guys, this is Bruno Mars. This is Taylor Swift.
Chris from Coldplay.
The best music all day long.
Crystal FM.
What a song. I have not heard that song for ages. You're with me, Yaya, and we are on Cartoons, and I asked you guys the question, what is one thing that you need to go out with to make you feel put together? So I said eyelashes, but actually some